Right, you still won't get in there. He's still panicking away. I'm trying to encourage him. I'm like one of those Instagram models. Not that, like Marina. Right, I've got my aqua suit on. Shorty, obviously short arms, short legs. Let's see how it goes. I'll be in that pedally proof before you know it. And of course my GoPro's perfectly waterproof. Wispa, let's rock. Give me a high five. Ooh. Right. Come on, Wispa. The temperature is lovely. Come on, lad. Fish splash, I was on the back. Yeah. Don't laugh at me. Don't pop the outside, says Gaynor. Oh, I'm gonna put my GoPro there. So I'll let it sink to the bottom so you can see any fish. No fish probably. Go on, Wispa, jump in. Oh, it's lovely. Just the right temperature. Ooh. Is that stratocumulus or is that cirrus? I think that's stratocumulus. Bit wispy today though. Yeah. He says bored. To look at clouds. Come on, Wispa, get in there. Come on, lad. You know you want to. I encourage him. He's not going to do it. We need to put his. He's not eating it today, so we're going to put his tea in here. It's going to float around in the middle until he dives in and gets it. You've got to crack eggs to eat at a dog's dinner. Why won't he come in here? Come here. I love you, Wispa, but why won't you get in? No? You can drink it. Oh. He's off again.